you ever wondered what goes into making the KitKat chocolate bar we love so much? Every time you bite into that crispy chocolate layer, it's not just the sweet sensation. It's an entire meticulous and fascinating process spanning thousands of miles from the cocoa fields of West Africa to modern chocolate processing plants. And today, we at Factory Wonders will take you on the amazing journey behind the production of a KitKat bar. It all begins in the vast cocoa fields of West Africa, where the tropical climate is perpetually bathed in the scorching summer sun. In July, when the cocoa pods ripen to a golden yellow under the intense sun, diligent farmers begin the harvest. They meticulously pick each cocoa pod, a task demanding great care to ensure the precious beans inside are not damaged. The pride in seeing the fruits of their labor is undoubtedly a powerful motivator, as each cocoa bean is truly a gem of nature. After harvesting, the cocoa beans are sun-dried, a process that takes about 8 days. Under the sunlight, they gradually lose moisture, their outer shells hardening to lock in the distinctive chocolate flavor within. Such a delicate, natural process not only preserves their quality, but also makes each cocoa bean unique. If you find this video informative, please comment number 2 and hit the like button if you find it interesting. Each batch of harvested cocoa must pass a series of rigorous tests. Experts check the moisture content to ensure the cocoa beans are free from mold. Then each bean is evaluated for size and texture, and any substandard ones are removed. Finally, a team of specialists conducts a scent test to guarantee that every bean exudes that characteristic enticing aroma that chocolate lovers appreciate. Once the cocoa beans finally meet the required standards, they are transported to a state-of-the-art chocolate manufacturing plant. Here they undergo a sophisticated 3-hour processing treatment. First, all traces of dirt and any remaining cocoa husks are removed in special rotating drums. During this process, the cocoa beans gently tumble against each other, helping to dislodge stubborn husks, while powerful jets of air blow away dust, thoroughly cleaning the beans. These pristine cocoa beans are now ready for the next stage, where their flavors will be fully awakened. As these cocoa beans enter the advanced processing equipment, they don't just transform into chocolate, they carry with them stories of dedication, the painstaking labor of West African farmers, and the meticulous work of factory employees. Each KitKat bar is a product of finesse, a love for quality, and an extensive journey from distant fields to the diligent hands at the manufacturing facilities. The next time you bite into a KitKat chocolate bar, remember that behind that crispy shell lies a complex yet joyful journey filled with passion and meticulous care. These are values not only inherent in every piece of chocolate, but also embodied in the story of connection between people across the globe. When you think of a crispy KitKat chocolate bar, do you ever imagine the incredible journey each piece of chocolate undertakes to become that irresistible treat? Each KitKat bar isn't merely a combination of cocoa and wafer. It's a culinary masterpiece where every step demands absolute precision. It all begins when the finest cocoa beans from tropical regions are fed into enormous roasting machines. Cocoa beans, much like coffee beans, must be roasted at precise temperatures and for exact durations to fully unlock their hidden flavors. This is a secret closely guarded by chocolate processing experts, as even the slightest error during this stage can completely alter the chocolate's flavor. After enduring this fiery trial, the cocoa beans burst with an enticing aroma, ready for the next step on their journey to becoming smooth chocolate. Next, the roasted cocoa beans are fed into a large milling machine where they are ground and blended into a thick, smooth cocoa liquor, embodying the essence of nature. This liquor is then transferred to a hydraulic press, where the cocoa butter is meticulously extracted, leaving behind solid discs of pure cocoa, known as press cake, each weighing about 15 pounds. These cakes represent the perfect fusion of rich and subtle cocoa flavors, a testament to the skillful processing involved. The press cake is then pulverized into a fine powder, forming the foundation for the distinctive KitKat chocolate flavor. Now, this cocoa powder is combined with familiar ingredients like sugar milk, powder, pure cocoa butter, and an emulsifier. But remember, the precise recipe is the key to creating that unique flavor we adore. All these components are blended in a large mixer, creating a velvety, smooth chocolate paste ready for the next refining stage. Do you prefer videos in a factory tour style or more of a food hack format? Let us know at Factory Wonders. Next comes the crucial process known as conching. which ensures the chocolate is not only smooth but melts perfectly on the tongue. This involves further grinding the chocolate particles down to microscopic sizes, creating that signature, silky smooth texture, ensuring every bite of KitKat feels luxurious and melts effortlessly. To achieve that appealing glossy sheen, the temperature during the tempering process must be meticulously controlled. Careful cooling, for instance, down to around 80 degrees at certain stages prevents undesirable crystal formation, ensuring the final chocolate is smooth and snaps cleanly with a beautiful shine. However, KitKat's appeal isn't just about the superb chocolate, it's equally about the crispy wafer nestled inside. That's the heart of the KitKat. The journey to create this wafer is no less fascinating. It starts with familiar ingredients like flour, water, sugar, vegetable fat, and a touch of salt. But what makes this wafer truly special is the leavening agent. This key ingredient helps create that signature light, airy and crispy texture, delivering that satisfying crunch with every bite. All these ingredients are combined in a large mixer where they blend thoroughly to form a smooth batter. This batter then undergoes further processing steps to become the perfect wafer layer, light, crispy, and appealing, contributing significantly to the signature KitKat taste we adore. So each KitKat bar isn't just a simple combination of chocolate and crispy wafer. It represents a journey of meticulousness, skill, and creativity. And as you bite into your next KitKat, remember, you're savoring a perfected creation born from the carefully guarded techniques embedded in every step of this production process. When you enjoy a crispy KitKat bar, do you ever consider the incredible journey it took to reach you? Each bar is more than just the perfect blend of chocolate and wafer. It's the result of a meticulous manufacturing process, transforming simple ingredients through complex factory stages. Let's explore the crucial steps involved in creating the perfect KitKat bar we all enjoy. We start with the wafer batter, the key ingredient creating KitKat's signature crispiness. Once the batter is perfectly prepared, smooth streams are pumped through highly precise nozzles into rectangular baking plates. These nozzles ensure each plate receives an even amount of batter, creating thin wafer layers of perfect thickness. Then the baking plates are sent into an oven, heated to a high temperature between 350 and 400 degrees for about 30 seconds. This high heat quickly bakes the wafers, creating a crispy exterior while preserving the delicious flavor inside. This is the secret to maintaining the wafer's beloved crispness and characteristic taste. Once baked, the wafer sheets are moved to a cooling area where gentle streams of cool air lower their temperature. This is a crucial step to ensure the wafers stay crispy long-term, and also prevents the chocolate coating from melting when applied later. While the wafer layers cool, the chocolate filling that goes between the layers is also prepared. At first glance, you might think the inner filling and outer coating chocolate are the same, but they are actually quite different. The inner chocolate filling is made from crushed KitKat pieces, imperfect bars that are ground into a fine paste and reused as filling for other bars. This filling has a creamier paste-like consistency, helping bind the wafer layers together without causing them to crumble. The outer chocolate coating, however, has a firmer texture, providing structure and protection for the bar. Together, these two types of chocolate combine with the crispy wafers to create a perfect product, layers of crunchy wafer and sweet smooth chocolate. If you find the KitKat making process fascinating, comment number 1. If you'd rather explore other food items, leave number 3. And now we arrive at the most captivating transformation in the KitKat production journey, when the crispy wafer stacks are enrobed in a luscious, glossy chocolate coating. Each wafer stack is neatly arranged on a conveyor belt, ready for its special chocolate bath in the enrober. Here, rich brown liquid chocolate with its irresistible sweet aroma gently cascades over each wafer stack. 3 thin, even layers of chocolate coat, each stack creating that perfect, glossy and enticing finish. This is the step that gives the KitKat bar its appealing look and wonderful taste. Finally, with the coating complete, the KitKat bars continue their journey, but it isn't over yet. The coated bars continue down a modern conveyor belt where sharp blades stand ready to slice them into the perfectly sized individual bars ready for consumers. And so, from simple ingredients like flour, chocolate, and wafers, through a meticulous process, we get a crispy, sweet, and appealing KitKat bar, an amazing product created from the perfect blend of technology and the art of food processing. Picture a simple yet mesmerizing moment, a smooth coated KitKat bar gliding along the conveyor belt, heading straight into the cutting zone. In the blink of an eye, sharp blades swiftly cut them into the perfect portions we all love. The finished KitKat bars, neatly arranged on the belt, are ready for their next journey. After 15 hours of blending and refining, the smooth liquid chocolate has finally reached perfection. But its journey doesn't stop here. Witness the impressive operation of high-speed machines, where hundreds of molds are filled every minute. Every second, streams of molten chocolate are poured into molds with absolute precision, creating the glossy, appealing outer shell we see on every KitKat bar. Then the crispy wafer stacks travel through a chocolate waterfall, ensuring every inch of the wafer is coated with a perfect layer of chocolate. This sight is truly hard to resist. The sweet aroma of chocolate combined with the satisfying crunch of the wafer feels like witnessing a delicate dance of delicious flavors, a perfect harmony that delights the senses. Surely you've heard the famous slogan, "Have a break, have a KitKat." This simple slogan has long been synonymous with KitKat. Since its debut in 1958, this slogan has become an irresistible invitation. It encourages consumers to take a break and relax, finding a moment of peace amidst the hustle and bustle of life. Much like a cute cat might invite you to enjoy this sweet treat, the slogan is a reminder that sometimes a KitKat isn't just a treat, but a moment to set aside worries and enjoy life. The story of KitKat isn't just the story of a chocolate bar. It's a journey of technology finesse in every production stage, and also an integral part of the small but memorable moments in our lives. And when you enjoy your next KitKat, remember that every crispy bite embodies the finesse and meticulous effort involved in the detailed processing steps you've just discovered. Have you ever thought about how a KitKat can refresh your palate and lift your spirits in just a moment? The clever association between break and KitKat doesn't just suggest the act of snapping the bar, but also taps into a deep-seated human desire, the wish to escape stress and fatigue. This is precisely why the slogan "Have a break, have a KitKat" has been phenomenally successful, becoming an integral part of the consumer psyche and helping KitKat become one of the most beloved candy brands in the world. This slogan isn't just a catchy phrase, it reflects a profound message about relaxation and enjoying life's small moments. The slogan has played a crucial role in making KitKat an icon, a treat that offers relaxation, helping you temporarily forget the stresses of daily life. Before KitKat bars hit supermarket shelves to reach consumers, they must pass through incredibly rigorous quality checks. Any bar with the slightest flaw, whether an air bubble or a crack, is immediately rejected. However, these imperfect bars aren't wasted. Instead, they are crushed and repurposed as the delicious chocolate filling for other KitKat bars. This not only minimizes waste, but also ensures that every KitKat reaching the consumer is perfect down to the last detail. The perfect KitKat bars continue their journey to the advanced packaging line. Here, high-speed robotic arms quickly wrap each bar in shiny foil, then add an eye-catching outer wrapper, creating a finished product ready for distribution. Every day, over 8 million KitKat bars are produced and ready to be shipped out. These KitKat bars are then transported to large warehouses awaiting orders from around the globe. Once orders are confirmed, trucks brimming with KitKat bars hit the road, carrying the sweet taste of chocolate to people everywhere. The journey of each KitKat bar from the factory to the consumer is truly a fascinating adventure, bringing joy and relaxation to everyone. If you found this journey interesting and want to discover more fascinating secrets about food production processes, don't forget to subscribe to the Factory Wonders channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. Join me as we continue this journey of discovery and uncover the intriguing stories behind every product we love.